Hi, it's Adam Hewis, and I'm coming to you as always from the digital studios of MarketClub, and we're going to be looking at four ways you can trade the gold market, some of which you may be familiar with, some of which you may not be familiar with. First of all, we're going to look at spot gold, which is what we're looking at right now. This is what we normally use as our indicator. This is an important indicator. Unlike a stock or an ETF or an ETN, spot gold tends to be a continuous pattern that you can look at. And in our last video on spot gold, which is on June 14th, I recommend you take a look at it, we said that this is the key level to look at if we can grow over this level, and that's the 1240 area. We're doing this during the day. We're not sure how this market's going to close, but it's currently trading at 1247.28. So this would be considered, in my opinion, a breakout to the upside. And as you know, we've measured from this point here down to here. It's from 1170 to 1240. You're looking at 70 points. Add 70 points to 1240, and it gives you 1310. That's $1,310 an ounce. I would say the 1300 level is the level you should be probably looking at. These two levels, if we close up here today, I think we'll be seeing this market move higher. So let's look at our next market, which is going to be gold futures. You may want to take a look at that market to trade. Okay, we're back, and what we're looking at right now is the July contract, the electronic contract, GC.N10.E. That's our symbol, and you can find this on MarketClub, of course. And what we're looking at is a very similar pattern. Here's the resistance that we can. I'm just going to draw this in very briefly, and you can see it looks like the market is breaking out to the upside. Again, this is going to follow gold, spot gold. It's not going to deviate. There's basically an arbitrage business goes on between futures and spot that goes on all day. So it's going to track very, very closely. As you can see, we have 100% reading. All of our indicators are positive and look like they want to go still higher. And I think that's the key thing. The other thing you can always do with MarketClub, let me just take everything off the screen for a second and show you this, is talking chart technology. Just click here.
The plus 100 chart analysis score on this chart indicates that this market is in a strong uptrend. Keep an eye for this to possibly hit a score of plus 90 if there is an intraday pullback. Also, make sure you're always using proper money management techniques.
So there you have it. We have our talking chart technology that can help you during the day, anytime, analyze any market. So let's take a look at our next market, which is going to be an ETF. Hi, we're back, and we're looking at the ETF, GLD. That stands for gold. So it's an ETF. And the amazing thing is you're going to see all of these basically follow a very similar pattern to spot gold. In fact, they have to track spot gold. So here's the resistance, which would be the equivalent of the 1240 level on spot gold. You can see the market's broken out to the upside, so that's a breakout. And you're going to find that this market is going to follow spot gold very closely. Again, all of our symbols are plus 100 and looking to go higher. And we are targeting this market, the spot market, to go to, as I said before, 1,310 or 1,300. Somewhere at that time window, that price window, we'd be looking to take some partial profits. But the market, the trend is clearly up. Today's breakout indicates that we're going to see this market go higher. If you haven't seen our earlier video on June 14th, it's on our blog. You can take a look at that and you can get an idea of what we're doing. But our next market is something we haven't talked about before. It's an ETN, exchange traded note, and I think you'll find that interesting also. But let's take this off the screen. Okay, we're back, and we're looking at the ETN, which stands for exchange traded note. The symbol is DGP. Once again, all of our triangles are all green and showing a very strong trend of 100. Okay, so that's the last one. That's the monthly one there. So you can see the market's going up quite a bit from there. But the key thing we're looking at is this level right here. I'm going to draw this once again. We've seen the breakout. It's going to follow the spot market. That's the key thing to watch in gold. There's the spot market. We have prices on MarketClub 24/7 on spot gold prices, so you can watch it any time of the day or night. So you can see the breakout. Again, this market's following the spot gold. The trend is clearly higher, and we're looking for it to go higher. So there you have it. You basically have 4 ways to look at gold and trade. You have spot gold, which we showed you first of all, gold futures, the ETF GLD, which is gold, and the ETN, which you're seeing right now on the screen, is DGP, and that's the symbol. But every success, we get some exciting markets here. Let's make some money.